Now then, this is the DolphinRC LARK. And just look at it. Because in a world where every drone frame seems to come in 3 colours, be it black, a slightly different black, or carbon fibre pretending not to be black, someone at DolphinRC has gone completely mad. They've made it purple, proper, gorgeous, metallic purple. And I immediately like it. Because 7-inch drones aren't supposed to be sensible, they're supposed to make you feel something. They're supposed to look like machines that can fly over mountains, disappear into the horizon, and come back with stories to tell. So today we're going to find out if the Lark is all show and no substance. The mission is simple. Build it, launch it, and attempt a 10-mile FPV flight. Now, I should mention, because of shipping delays, some of the extra goodies that come with this frame are not wired up and working properly yet. Part of that is just literally the amount of time that it's taken to get it over into the UK before the release day today. And, you know, we'll deal with that another day. I'm going to do a build guide and we're going to do a follow-up on this later on down the line. But I wanted to get this video out today on the release day because it's gorgeous. It really is. And despite the fact that some of those finishing touches aren't finished, honestly, I don't care, because right now I've got a beautiful purple 7-inch long-range machine in my hands and 10 miles of sky waiting for us. Okay, so we are out with the Dolphin Lark on the day of release, and the question is, can we make it fly for longer than the 17 minutes that the 4-inch Mario Mini with 3.5-inch props flew for? We're using a 2SP 6S 6000 mAh 6S. Oh, I just said that twice. 6S. And obviously the thing with the Lark is it's a 7-inch, so we are just eating up ground on the field. We've already done a lap already, which was far quicker. You can hear it there. Far quicker than when we did a lap with the 4-inch using 3.5-inch props. However, that's not the challenge here. The challenge is, can we stay in the air for physically longer? Well, I don't know, because there is quite a lot of extra weight on this in comparison to what we had with the Mario Mini 4 with 3.5-inch props. There is a guy going to the tree, boy wonder, so I'm just going to do my second lap over the top of the tree now.
Go to the back of the field.
Yeah.
Because that thing,
I mean,
7-inch with people, dangerous.
Yeah, you got to be super respectful with this sort of stuff. I'm at 35% throttle, which is, I think, didn't I say I was at 30% throttle with the Mario?
Thing. What did you say throttle was again?
Well, 37% I'm at now.
So it was a bit more.
But will this battery last longer? That's the question. It is. We're at 3.75 already.
Ooh.
But
Well, that probably might not do it.
What did you say we could go to 3?
Yeah. Well, you should. I mean, the absolute dead point is, I think it was 2 point something.
But we landed the other. Yeah, we landed the other one just on 3, didn't we? So now where's that guy going? He's going there. So I'm gonna have to.
The tree.
So I'm gonna have to just cut around this way. Ultimately, we're not looking at distance. We know that from a distance point of view, this is going to fly even further. We've already flown for 2.4 kilometers. So we know from a distance point of view, it's not going to be an issue. But we're not going for distance. We're going for time.
Yeah.
It flies really well. It's really smooth in the air. Like I said, the throttle point is a bit higher, but it is, of course, a bit heavier. And where this really does benefit from, ultimately, is going to be the fact that you can do longer range because you can go further faster with those 7-inch props and those bigger motors, those 28, I think the 2802 Dolphin FPV motors. So it's I don't think we're going to get the time. I honestly don't. 3.67 after 3 minutes and 15. Yeah.
I'm not going to do that.
I don't think we're getting the time, but what we definitely are doing,
Definitely better.
what we didn't do with the Mara is we didn't measure distance. And I'm telling you now, I have probably already done about half of the distance, if not more, with this than I did with the Mario. So
Yeah.
from a distance point of view, these 7 inches just munch up that distance. But I think perhaps it might be time for me to start looking into to new packs. Some of the tabless lithium ion packs that are out there, I think may well be. We're just under 4 minutes and 3.62 volts. And the drone is behaving perfectly well for a long-range drone. It's doing exactly everything you'd want it to do. And we're just lapping at such a faster speed than we was before with the 4-inch. It is, it's night and day difference. But I just think it's a little bit more energy. What's the word I'm looking for?
Energetic.
Yeah, energy sapping.
Okay.
It's a bit like, oh, actually, we're filming this the day before England play Mexico. I was going to say it's a bit like the Mexican heat sapping the legs of the Englishman.
What? I don't even know what sapping means, but okay.
But then I don't know if England beat Mexico. So if England beat Mexico, yay, it's coming home. And if England lost to Mexico, we was robbed.
And we'll rob them next. What?
I mean literally robbed, I wonder.
Yeah.
Is there some sort of creature on my right hand?
Huh?
Like a fly or something?
Yeah.
Thank you, Boy Wonder.
It was a spider.
Was it a spider? It's very tickly.
And that's still beyond me. Nope, it's fine.
Oh god, 5 minutes flight time. 3.57.
We don't want anything on you whilst you're flying.
Not really. That would be a problem, Boy Wonder.
There's a person going under the over.
Okay, thank you.
With a dog.
Thank you for the confirmation, Boy Wonder. I am going to keep lapping this field until the battery cries.
Yeah. There's a person on
I can see, yeah, I've got them. Thank you very much, Boy Wonder.
coming onto the field from where we are.
I'm literally going to do no tricks. I'm literally flying as smooth as possible lines.
Battery? What's the battery on?
3.55 volts after 6 minutes flight time.
You might barely get 10 out there.
I think we're getting about 13, 14 if I'm honest.
Yeah. That's going to be less.
It is less, however, we've definitely got more distance. We've already done 7 kilometers, so about 5 miles flown already.
Wow. How much sounds like that for you?
Thank you. It might be about 4.4 miles approximately. Well, wait until you get your phone and I'll tell you how far I've travelled.
Did you say 7 kilometers?
I'll tell you in a second. Tell me when you're ready to Google it. We are on 7.4 kilometers.
$4.5 miles.
4.5, I said 4.4, although it was on.
Well, 7.4 is 4.5. And then like 7.4 kilometers is 4.5 miles.
6.7. It's a very, very well-behaved drone, is this?
Yeah.
Maybe because I made it. Nope, that's definitely not the reason.
Definitely not well behaved. What? Huh?
The builds I make are definitely not well-behaved. Yeah, I moved to the side.
Yeah,
You're looking at me or the drone? Okay. 7 minutes, 25 seconds.
They go back and forwards from the back of the...
Yeah, well, there's somebody else on the other side as well, so there is a couple of people about now, so we are going to have to really play this carefully.
Yeah.
Where is he, mate? Is he underneath the tree?
Yeah. Yeah, he's moving out.
Oh, I can see. I'm going to cut short. No, I'm going to cut short on the lap.
Oh.
So rather than go round the tree, I'm going to cut on the inside of the tree. 3.41 volts after 8 minutes flight time. It is without question an incredibly well flying drone.
I'd have no problems in taking this on a bit of a long-range mission, within the law, of course, officer. Yes, officer. I only do the law, officer. Illegal only when police there. Police not there, Habibi, everything legal.
Mine when I not put that in.
No, I'm definitely going to put that in. Well, let's chat about world things. So it was the 4th of July yesterday. I did get an Abraham Lincoln costume, but unfortunately, as you guys know, we've had a few debates about it. Recently, there is a lot going on in my life and we just didn't get a chance to film it. So that's a bit of a shame, but it can be saved for another time. The World Cup is on, Silverstone is on, the British F1 Grand Prix this weekend. There's a person there, so I'm going to have to cut even shorter here. Okay, suddenly the distance in the field has been reduced because there are people everywhere. 9 minutes and 30 seconds at 3.35 and 10.7 kilometers, boy wonder.
10.7 kilometers? Let me check. So that might be like 9 miles.
I think it's going to be about 8.8.
10 point what?
11 kilometers exactly now.
Oh, never mind. It's 6.8 miles.
Was that all?
Yeah, 6.835 miles. That's to be specific. Well, to be very, very specific on the dot, it's 6.83508.
So what is 10 miles in kilometers? Let's aim for 10 miles.
Kilometers.
30?
Yep, 30.5.
Is 10 miles?
Oh, hang on, I'll put 19 miles.
I was going to say, that doesn't seem right. The maths was not mathing.
Okay.
It's going to be about 18 kilometres, I think.
16 kilometres.
16. 16 kilometres. Well, I'm on 12 and 3.27. Is my stick cam still on?
Let me check.
Should be able to see
Yeah.
it flashing light, yeah.
Well, I just looked at my front screen.
Okay. Right. So we're in trouble here now.
What's your
We're in real trouble because I'm on 3.27 and I'm on 12.5 kilometres. What do you say? 13 point what?
What do you mean?
For 10 miles?
10 miles, 16.
16.
16.
16.
I thought it said 16.
16.
What, 16?
Right, okay.
16 like a teenager, 16 that does not make any sense.
16. I'm going to try and extend the legs a little bit. We're on 13 at 3.22. The goal now is to hit 16 kilometres and 10 miles. That's the goal. I've lost a bit of altitude to try and get out of that wind.
Idle throttle.
My idle throttle is currently 44.
Wow, that's gone up a lot.
Yeah. Still think we can probably get 16. But it's going to be close, 3.17. Maybe we can't. There's a person to my left, so I'm just going to go a bit longer.
I see him. Careful.
3.16, 14 kilometres. I think what I've not even been paying attention, but I think it might be another 2 laps.
Just doing a quick voiceover in the middle of this flight to shut me up to speak with me, just to detail some of the build information on this. We've got a Radiomaster RP1 ELRS. We've got the Sequire M10 full-size GPS unit in here, picks up a signal really, really quickly. Sequire have also sent me their new H7 flight controller and massive ESC, which is just ginormous. It was a bit of a challenge to fit, I've got to be honest, and I might have had to slightly modify some parts of it, but it was well worth doing nonetheless. And of course, we've got the Dolphin RC 2808 1300 KV motors powering it on all 4 corners as well. DolphinRC LARK. We asked one simple question. Could this thing fly for 10 miles? Well, it didn't. It flew for 10.5. And the remarkable thing wasn't the distance, but it was how easy that it all felt. It was smooth. It just churned up the laps of the field. If you compare it to the Mario Mini 4 that we flew last week, although that flew for longer, I think, this ultimately chewed up the distance so much quicker. So, I mean, I probably need to get some newer technology in my long-range batteries, to be honest, to keep these heavier drones afloat for longer. But ultimately, it chewed up that field like it was nothing. This thing is smooth, stable, and it just sits in the air. And that's a wonderful long-range confidence that makes you stop worrying about flying. Simply enjoy where you're going. The airframe is absolutely enormous, the space everywhere. Building this thing was less keyhole surgery like you would expect on a 2-inch, and more like furnishing a mansion. And then there's the little details, the gorgeous purple finish, the LEDs, the side panels, the buzzer, the fact that somebody's actually sat down and thought about what owners might want and how well it goes together. But now I've got a slight problem. Because I've got all these LEDs to wire in, the buzzer to make work, and I need to figure out how to actually do it, and I need to film the build video as well, which is half done. But that's a problem for another day. Today, we're celebrating and enjoying what is quite a remarkable machine. One more day. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.